Alright, take two. So I'm going to try to show the instrumentation on this Yamaha. So the screens are a little bit of trouble, but you can see right now it's indicating the engines are down. And if I push this button right here, you'll see the engines are showing up. Right? And you can see the engines are actually up. And then if I push down, the engines go down, and you see this go down. And right now, the trim tabs, they're not flashing, it's the camera. They're all down, but if I do all up, you'll see they'll come up and the red lights will go away. We're going to do an all down. Here you go, here's all down. And then we're going to take it for a little ride. Once it's up on plane, I'm going to go ahead, once it's up on plane, I'm going to go ahead and bring them up and watch the bow come up. So let's get up on plane. We're up. Now I'm going to hit them all up. And you'll watch the nose come way up. You can see our angle now. And I'm going to do all down. And you see the nose come right over. I don't know how that come out on camera, but that's what I wanted to show you.